जय श्रीमन्नारायण 434th नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 46th sloka. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who has objects which can be acquired by wealth and which can give sensory enjoyment. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Surpanakha is looking at Ravanasura. Ravanasura is the one who Aptayajnaharam Kruram, who can destroy all the yajnas at the time of its Purnahuti. Ravanasura is the one who destroys yajnas at the time of giving dakshinas to all the Ritviks. Such Ravanasura, Surpanakha is now looking at. Ravanasura is the one who is very cruel. Ravanasura is the one who kills all Brahmanas. Ravanasura is the one who has no compassion. Ravanasura is the one who causes troubles to all the people. Such Ravana now Surpanakha is looking at. Ravanam Sarvabhutanam. Ravanasura is the one who always makes all the people cry and all the entities cry. Ravanasura is the one Sarvaloka Bhayavaham, who always frightens all the worlds, scares all the worlds. Such Ravana, now Surpanakha is looking at Bhrataram Sadadarsa. He is the one who is brother to Surpanakha. Now Surpanakha is looking at his brother. Ravanasura is decorated with so many ornaments. Ravanasura is wearing such a wonderful garments and sitting in that Simhasanam. He is looking like a death to the death itself. Such Ravana, who is sitting with so many of his ministers, now Surpanakha is looking at him and trying to show her body, in which two body parts were cut by Lakshmana. Now Surpanakha is shouting dreadfully and saying to Ravana like this: "O Ravana, you are enjoying all your luxuries, comforts, and thinking that you are only the greatest one. But Ravana, samutpannam mahabhayam, there is a big, huge fear to you now. O Ravana, you should have learned about it by now through your secret agents. But it looks like you are not at all in conscious. You are completely drowned in your luxuries and enjoyment. O Ravana, you know what? if the people looks at you, people will hate the king who is always enjoying with his luxuries and comforts. People will look at that king like a fire in the graveyard, as and how people hates the fire in the graveyard, so also people will hate the king who is always drowned in his enjoyment, but they will never na bahumanyante, they will never respect such king. Like this, Surpanaka is shouting at Ravana. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 46th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vistaraha, Sthavaraha, Sthanuhu, Pramanam, Bijamavyayam, Ardhonardho, Mahakoso, Mahabhogo, Mahadhanaha. Vistarasthavarasthanuh pramanam bijamavyayam, ardhonardho mahakosho, mahabhogo, mahadhanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha. Om Mahabhogaya Namaha.